Here we are starting again, and I'll be recording everyone's experience of Rajgarh, starting with Somnath. Somnath, please join us.
Somnath.
He's a very kind person. He's always ready to help someone whoever asks him. Somnath, this side, come here.
What are your thoughts on the trek?
So
On the
he's
day
the
we
only
spent.
person in our group who has come to this place for 3 times, and this is the 4th time, right?
Yeah, nahi, 3 times.
No, this is the third time, gentlemen. And before this, twice he has visited this place, and he is having very good endurance and the mental stamina among all of us. We are here. So, how was your experience again with us?
Good.
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 So, what was the different thing you experienced apart from the last one?
Last one, 2 peoples. Maybe
2 people.
Hmm.
Who were they?
my friend.
Your friends from our college or from somewhere else?
My village.
Village friends.
Yes.
On both the time you came with your village friends.
One time.
One time. And what about the another one?
Another college friends.
College friends? Who were they?
One was Siddharth, I know.
Siddharth, Rajan.
Gaurav, I guess.
So,
Okay, so this time you experienced something new. Would you like to share?
no, yes.
What?
What new? What new we did this time?
That thrilling part we went in the circular loop
Yes.
in the mountain. So, apart from that, Somnath, overall experience it was good for you.
Else you did
Something
sometime,
would you like to add, or would you like to say to someone who has not visited this place so far? So, for them, what would you like to say? Okay, what about Shubham?
Okay. This was a wonderful day. Great
This
day.
was, this was the first time you visited this
Yes,
place?
this place. Actually, this is my second trek, we could call.
Okay.
Siagarh 2 years before,
Okay.
and now Rajgarh. So,
So
it was
you-
a sort of long time.
Oh, so you took lot of time to decide for
Yes,
your
yes,
second
yes,
time.
yes.
So what was the reason behind that? You could have come here before also.
No, I was planning coming here before, but we never made it.
Why? But you took 2 years to decide to come to this place.
It wasn't like we don't have many people. There was only one guy with us who was ready. By blackmailing him emotionally, I took him to Siagarh. We were only 3 guys went to Siagarh, and this time we are 6 guys. And many people.
Initially you have planned for 4 only, but
Yes,
on-
initially planned for 4, but the 5th guy came unexpectedly. So we had to add that guy to our plan. But
just because-
truly, he's also a great guy in the sense of stamina and strength. He made up with us from the start to end, and still he's full of energy and doing great.
Yep, somewhere he is feeling really exhausted, but still
Still he
he
made up.
made it till the last. He didn't give up.
From start,
but
he didn't give up.
One of our friend just gave in between, or not in the middle also. Before middle.
Maybe
part
like
of
he was not ready, or he was not into all such stuff
Yes.
before, so he gave up early. But this guy, we truly appreciate.
I think he was busy with his office work, something like that.
We can
in his
say
mind,
that.
back of the
Yes,
mind,
yes, yes,
something
yes,
was
yes.
going on. So
He was not willingly to be here.
yeah.
Physically.
So we-
Mentally, he was not here. He was mentally in his office. So it happened.
and this 6th guy, gentleman, he's from our college only, Panoti College, from where we didn't got the placement, and none of us got the placement from our college, from where he is still studying. He is in first year right now. His
Actually,
name.
he has to be in second year right now.
Okay.
But he skipped both the sems. He failed in 11 subjects, except he passed in one.
So this is very interesting.
That is no.
I was not aware about this.
It is not important. Whatever
Okay.
important is when we say that you have to study the 11 subjects.
Okay.
He used to say that I will make it in one fucking sem. And he was always ready for that.
But how there was 11 subject? In each semester we had only 5 subjects only.
They have 11.
How it is having
Combined
11?
into both the sems.
But
He is
total
not
there
into
are
the
10
studies
subjects,
actually.
but how is having 11 subject?
Don't. Hey,
Yes.
Rijal, bag कितने तुझे? 11 are bag.
But
He is confident that he will make it to the last.
total year. But then to एक सब्जेक्ट एक सेमेस्टर में तो 5 ही सब्जेक्ट थे ना,
एक सेमेस्टर में वो गया ही नहीं पेपर देने के लिए।
तो एक
ऐसा हुआ है।
तो एक सेमेस्टर में गए
दोनों
नहीं,
सेमेस्टर गए उसके।
दोनों सेमेस्टर गए।
एक सेमेस्टर में गया सब बैक, दूसरे सेमेस्टर में गया ही नहीं वो पेपर देने, मतलब पूरा ईयर बैक, और अब रिपीट कर रहा है फिर
मतलब फिर से फर्स्ट ईयर रिपीट
अरे तो भी तो 10 ही सब्जेक्ट हुए ना, एक सेमेस्टर में 5 आते हैं तो
उसके क्या है ना बच्चे
सिलेबस आया ना उनको,
न्यू सिलेबस आया
सिलेबस
है।
आया है।
सेमेस्टर 1 में 6
हाँ,
सब्जेक्ट
न्यू
है।
ईआरपी।
ओह,
If you want to actually check how much
nothing
he
nothing is going to change, guys.
How much
Uh,
into-
no
what-
new
however
syllabus,
you
nothing
study,
is if you
however
are
you
studying
study.
from our college, I would not like to take the name.
There is no way you will ever get placed. We don't
Yes.
have, our placement officer got placed in another college.
हाँ,
actually.
the first opportunity came
That
to our
is-
college. He
was
got
the only
placed.
one who got the opportunity and made it in life.
Yes,
We truly appreciate that guy.
yes,
He was the only one who had the guts to get a job in another college.
yes.
None of our teachers.
And he used
Will
to
ever
take,
have
but
a
he used to
good
take
job.
our soft skill
Ah,
classes.
he
But
used to take our soft skills very hardly.
yes.
So he made it in life. Now
Okay.
it's his turn. now.
Okay, Vivek. How was
What are
your
your thoughts?
experience coming here? He recently got the job
Hey,
in.
hey, no
In which
re
company you
baba.
got the job?
Sakshi Software.
Sakshi
Sakshi
Software.
Software.
He is currently
In Sakshi Software.
Sakshi Softtech
Yeah.
as a junior developer, Java developer.
Yeah, junior.
He's a core Java person.
But they give me task one.
But before that, guys, I would like to show you this thing. See.
This kind of spirit
Yes.
must die someday.
Yes. But it will be always remembered in our blog.
Yeah.
Always and
That
ever.
he's doing his great.
Yes. We all are sitting here and just making the fun, and but still he is very
Health conscious.
health
and
conscious
Physically.
and yes, he is completing his daily
Fitness
targets,
freak.
guys. Yes.
And he, in his school time, he has played
Coco, very well,
Coco.
Coco.
He's a very strong guy.
Very strong guy, and he proved it today.
He proved it.
Okay, coming to Vivek
Coming
again.
to Vivek today now.
So
now
he's-
it's
I
his
can't
turn
speak in
now.
English. I-
He's
He
working.
must- whatever,
he's
he's looking for something great.
He is working with Sakshi and
He is still, Vivek is still doing, if you guys can watch, he's still doing the office work here. He's truly attached to his office, which he has currently joined 1 month before, and he's trying his best.
so this is the spirit you should have in yourself, gentlemen, because this is the only thing.
This
which
is the
you-
only thing which will
takes
keep you, which will keep you in that company, or they will just, what they will do?
They will not fire you.
They will not fire, they will just warn you about this
yes,
thing.
they will save your ass ever again.
So he
Again,
will,
yeah.
he will have his turn now.
No, he's not done yet. So he's working in some Sakshi company. Working with Sakshi.
Sakshi Softtech, not with Sakshi.
Okay, okay.
He's
So-
personally avoiding girls from childhood actually.
हाँ. He's following
What are your
Brahmacharya.
thoughts on this track?
हाँ, okay.
How you made it today?
Actually, today we come here at 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
8 a.m., okay.
8 a.m. And currently we are waiting for sunset, and we all are sitting at
Sanjeevani Machi.
which Sanjeevani
Sanjeevani
Machi.
Machi.
We are sitting at
Rajkot
Sanjeevani Machi, guys. It is the which part? I guess western part.
Sanjeevani Machi.
Hope so. Yeah.
This is the westernmost part of the
As you can
fort,
see, the sun is
and
setting
we are
here, so
about
it is the
to
western part.
see that sun is
Sun
about to set.
set.
So we are waiting
We
for
will
some more
wait
time. So
and-
click more photos, and we will just leave. And we didn't had our lunch. Just had
Today
some
we
fruits.
totally had our day only on some cucumbers, muskmelon, watermelon, again bananas,
And
oranges. That's it. We didn't even eat a single thing which was unhealthy or like which was brought from home. It was pure natural day today for us.
तो एक-एक वाक्य translate करते.
we bought some buttermilks at different places. In
That
the
was
fort.
also a good thing here.
Yes.
It makes us hydrated and gives us energy very well.
Yes. So coming to Vivek again. So Vivek, how was your experience? Overall experience coming
Overall,
here?
it was very beautiful experience. Actually, I came here second time. First time in Shubham, and which one was?
Sinhagad it was.
Sinhagad Fort. And currently today, we all 6 members have come here at Rajgarh Fort.
We are 5
Yeah.
completed the trek.
Completed 5. Physically
One of
5
us left us.
He must be waiting
Overall, it was
somewhere
very
downstairs.
beautiful experience.
He has not left the place yet because he is supposed to go back with us only. So he must be waiting either in the main entrance of the
No,
fort.
he left for the base now.
Which Darwaja?
Okay.
Already
So-
he has left. He must have been there.
So there are possibility, guys, that he might have had his lunch also.
No, he will not.
He will not.
He wait for us.
So this is also one of the dedication and teamwork you should have.
Even
in
if
your
you
team.
gave up, you wait for the team to be there,
Yes.
and that's the team spirit.
And we all requested you to come at Rajgarh.
Everyone must come to Rajgarh. First of all,
all
to boast Shivaji Maharaj's legacy.
Yeah.
And next to that,
yeah.
to test your own physical fitness. That's the main point you must focus on, and main perspective of your trek it must be.
And if you observe this place very wisely, you will come to know, and you will watch very hidden doors and entry points at
Yes, even
different
the
places.
water storages. There are great whatever the
And that
construction you
water
will
storage
look
is
for.
also having some mystery, guys. It is still there in the area which they made, and the water circulation is still there.
And this
Although it
height
is
water is
dirty,
there.
or this height it
This
is
is
there.
about
So
1,600 meters up from the ground level, and water is still present there.
so you can see Vivek how he is enjoying his life.
Everyone must enjoy their life.
Blog में दिया था
So
Somnath is also regretting his life,
compiling and translating.
and that guy is trying to something.
This
Something.
guy is watching and looking.
Oxygen.
Sahyadri.
He's not getting oxygen in the air. He is looking for the oxygen through that space that he will get more oxygen from there.
this is bad mindset. You should grab the opportunity.
You
What do you
should
have?
clear your 11 subjects in the same so that you will get promoted to the second year.
Otherwise, you will look like this only, gentlemen. You will
You
find
will
the
regret this thing for
oxygen
life.
in the smallest part of some smallest hole only.
Smallest part of the coolest place.
हाँ. So okay.
Okay.
Have a
End
good
up
day.
here. Take care.
I would like to show you the bug. See, this is
This is
the
sunsetting thing.
sunset.
We waited for the whole day for this thing.
Yes. So
It's about
this
time
is,
to leave.
This is my bag.
Next
And
time, we will plan about the Torna.
That is the middle part and the tallest part of the fort. And
Hey,
this is
bhaiya,
the
hey.
fort.
दीपक कंटिन्यू
माणसाला सुरे मुतु का ते डोक्या मुतु का
We'll cover a story in the next episode, gentlemen. It seems
Thank you
to
very
be
much for
a
watching.
very long
Keep
story.
liking, keep
I'll analyze
subscribing.
and share it to you.
like
Have a good day.
wow
Thank you for watching.
गार पानी